Hello everyone, welcome back to the Kedge Anchor. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Karen and I am here today to do a little get well greeting card tutorial. This is really simple, really easy, and I think you will have as much fun doing it as I did. So the supplies you will need is a blank folded note card. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree. You'll need some scrapbook paper or some cardstock or whatever you have on hand, and cut it to size however you like. I cut this so that there would be a small border around the edge. You'll need a band-aid, some double-sided sticky tape or glue, whatever you have on hand. You'll also need some, a pencil and eraser, a black liner, this is a 0.9, a pair of scissors, and a ruler. Okay, so I have this all set up. I've got the tape on the back already, otherwise you'd be watching me peel tape off the back of this. This wasn't my original idea. This came from something I saw on Instagram. The creator's name is Brooklyn B. I will leave her information in the link, in the description below, where you can go check her out and give her a like. So I'm just going to try and get this centered on the card. And I like to layer. You don't have to layer, but you can layer. And when you're writing text, since there was going to be some text on this card, I had to layer. You'll see why. So I'm just going to put the band-aid down, and I'm going to put it in the middle, but more toward the top, so I can have text at the top and at the bottom. And I'm just going to make a cute little face and add some eyes and a little smile. I guess that's what you call a kawaii drawing, or kawaii face. And then I'll add some arms and hands and legs and feet. And since I do have a tendency to misspell words, I like to write my words out in pencil first and then go over it with the black liner. Okay, that part's done. Now I'm just going to erase my guidelines and my pencil marks. And then we can get to the sentiment inside. I'm going to grab my ruler and just make some guidelines. And pretty much do the same thing what I did on the front, with writing in pencil first and then going over it with the black liner. Okay, so that's done. On the outside it says healing one day at a time, and on the inside it says one stitch at a time. We don't want you purling out your stitches. I know it's a dad joke, but I thought it was funny. So if you don't happen to have the stitching scrapbook paper that I have, you can always take your black liner and make some stitching marks somewhere on your card. I would love to see what you create. please share on social media with me. You can find me on Facebook and on Instagram. I will leave those links in the description as well. And when you do, please use the hashtag Anchor Angel Project, because this hopefully will be going to someone who needs encouragement while they're recovering from surgery. Also, I will leave some suggestions for scripture in the description that you could use on the inside as well. And I want to thank you again for joining me today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you did, please be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And until the next video, I hope to see you soon. And in the meantime, anchor in hope.